Are you having trouble deciding between the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G and Galaxy A34 5G? Here's everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy A54 and Galaxy A34 5G in 5 points. Samsung's Galaxy A54 and A34 5G are mid-rangers with lots to like. They are follow-ups to the Galaxy A53 and Galaxy A33. Both smartphones pack a peppy new design scheme based on the Galaxy S23 series template with IP67 rating, fast and color-rich 120Hz AMOLED screen, optically stabilized main camera, and sizable 5,000 mAh battery. The Galaxy A54 is a slightly more premium phone with a glass back. This is a bit glossy, though not totally mirror-like. Samsung is using Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The A34 uses Glastic. The finish in both phones is matte, and it feels really nice to the touch. The Galaxy A34 is the bigger device on paper with a 6.6-inch screen versus 6.4-inch in the A54. Both have Super AMOLED panels with 1080p resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. There's Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The A54 has a hole punch cutout and the A34 has a water drop style notch. Samsung is using the Exynos 1380 in the A54 while the A34 has the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 under the hood. Both phones come with 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage, which is also expandable. Both the A54 and A34 are running the latest One UI 5.1 based on Android 13. The A54 has a triple camera system on the rear headlined by a 50-megapixel main sensor, f1.8 optical image stabilization. This is paired with a 12-megapixel ultrawide and another 5-megapixel macro. The A34's triple camera setup is a combination of 48-megapixel main, f1.8 OIS, 8-megapixel ultrawide, and 5-megapixel macro. The A54 has a 32-megapixel selfie camera, while the A34 has a 13-megapixel shooter on the front. So what do you think? Which phone is better, or which one you are going to purchase? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.